Good morning. Today I am going to discuss the closing rank of various branches for unreserved category based on present seat matrix. Before that, let's take a look at the order of closing, and this is based on the polls that I've taken. I have noticed an increase in tendency towards MD medicine and PEDS, but seats for radio and derma are much lower, so I think their closing will be higher. Also, many people prefer DNB of their first choice after MDMS of their first choice. But a significant amount of people also prefer upper clinics MDMS over DNB of their first choice. Considering all these, I think this would be the order of closing. I have divided the branches into 6 groups based on how similar or close the closing rank would be. Let's move to the first group. This is a pessimistic version, and I'm sure the real closing wouldn't be so low, but no harm in being prepared. There's around 146 for seats for MD radio, 76 seats for derma, 6 seats for DNB derma. For MD medicine, there's around 370 seats. DNB radio, there's a total of 250 seats, and I'm assuming there would be at least 180 to 220 for unreserved. I didn't exactly check how many seats belong to private and how many belong to government. Let's take a pessimistic assumption and take 180 seats for unreserved. So 180 seats of DNB radio for unreserved. There's around 8 seats for DD, VL and DMRD. Around 274 seats for MD PEDS and 7 seats for nuclear medicine. So I calculated these seats based on the PDFs that were available, and there may be a little bit of calculation error, but no problem. You can this is anyways a rough estimate. The total number of seats, total tally of all these branches is 1062 seats. Now let's assume every third or fourth person will take a seat via quota, the reservation quota, and let's also assume every third or fourth person would prefer surgical branches over these medical branches. There are also going to be many who will not participate in All India counseling and would only participate in state counseling as they are confident enough about their ranks. But let's not consider this scenario and let's only go for the pessimistic version. So your All India round 1 closing would be 1062 into 2, that's 2120. So you can expect the closing rank of MD PEDS, MD medicine, MD DNB radio from 2000 to 2100 in All India round 1. And the closing for MD radio and derma would be lower, around 1000. For All India round 2, hopefully newly increased seats would be added. Many would also take seat via the state round 1 and few might also get into AIIMS. So you can expect the closing to lower by 500 ranks. So between 2500 to 2700, the MD medicine, MD PEDS, DNB radio seats will be closed in All India round 2. I think anyone with a rank within 3000 can expect MD medicine in All India round 2, but beyond that would be optimistic. Also, since seats have halved compared to last year, you shouldn't be surprised if the closing rank is also halved. For those who want DNB radio, you can expect the closing to go up to 5000 and mop-ups. Okay, there are going to be certain institutes where the closing can go up to 5000 or even beyond that. That all depends on your luck. The closing for MD radio, medicine, PEDS in your respective states will also be lower compared to your All India round 2, and it would be variable from state to state. It would vary from state to state. In the next video, I'll be talking about the other branches. We'll take up ortho, we'll talk about ortho and MS surgery and other branches. And that's all for today. Thank you.